Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now today is the day that we give away the 60,000 subscriber giveaway piece. This is a piece of jarrah that we turned a few weeks ago, and we did it in celebration of hitting the incredible milestone of 60,000 subscribers. I'm not quite sure how we've got there, and I've got no one to thank except you lot, so thank you so much. Not only are we giving away this jarrah bowl, but we're also giving away a couple of Record Power bowl gougers, which Record Power very kindly customized for me with my name and signature on. So that's 3 prizes in total, and I'll tell you how this is going to work. Now, since our last giveaway, there have been 23 qualifying videos. So I put the links to all those videos into a piece of software, and it shows me 23 names, all taken from the comments on each video. Those 23 names will now go into a separate piece of software which will choose just one winner. Now, at the moment, I don't know who won, as I haven't done the draw yet. So if your name comes up, then what I'd like you to do is drop me a line and I will get the prize out to you. So if you're watching this now thinking, well, I haven't been contacted, don't worry, I haven't contacted anybody because, as I've just said, I don't know. So in a second, I'm going to hand over to VoiceOver Mike, who will be doing the draw. So best of luck to all of you. But before I do let you go, I want to say an enormous, huge, massive thank you to every single one of you who have stuck with me over the last 3.5 years while I've been building this channel. It's been an incredible experience. I've made some marvelous, incredible friends, and I've loved every single second. It's been hard. There's been lots of difficult periods. It takes an awful lot of commitment to release a video every single week, but we're getting there. We are doing it, and I'm committed to keeping this going for as long as my body will let me. And now I'll hand over to VoiceOver Mike, who's going to be choosing the winners. Thanks, Mike, for the introduction. Now we've come on to a random picker website. This works quite simply. Where it says Thing 1, Thing 2 and Thing 3, that is a list that we can choose randomly by clicking on a button at the bottom. If we hit return there, you see it has randomly chosen one of those 3 items and displayed it at the top. Now we're going to replace these 3 items with the names from the qualifying videos, and there's 23 in total. And these people are Christine Park, Michael Brennan, John Blakeman, Alok Tomplays, Turning with the Woods, Craig Cook, Hulk the Dane, Anne Partington, Stephen Curry, Janet Humphreys, Alien Leader, Chris Barker, Omega Prime, Gentle Bear, Chris Park, Cynthia Hampton Price, JB Jeep, Lindsay Beaumont, Deborah McNabb, Ms. W, Elizabeth Roberts, Rachel Dray, and Rena Larson. So there's our winners. Now the first thing to do is to choose the first winner, which will be for one of the Record Power bowl gougers. And the winner is John Blakeman. Congratulations, John. Well done. And now we're going to choose a second winner. This will be for the second Record Power gouge. And the winner is Rachel Dray. Congratulations, Rachel. Right, and now on to the jarrah bowl. The winner of the jarrah bowl is Gentle Bear. Congratulations, Gentle Bear. So congratulations to the 3 winners, John Blakeman, Rachel Dray and Gentle Bear. If you'd like to get in touch with me, I can arrange for these prizes to be sent off to you. To everyone else whose name we've mentioned, and to everyone else who has commented in one of the last 23 videos, thank you so much indeed for taking part, and I would like to wish you all the very best for the future. So that's it for now. Thank you very much indeed for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you.